In this video, we will show you step by step how to clean a spray nozzle on your Jenfab machine. The first step on any maintenance project should be to de-energize the unit and lock out the power source. Next, we will want to gather all of the necessary tools: anti-seize, a 5/8 wrench, a 1/2-inch wrench, and a small tool for clearing any debris. Don't forget your PPE. Once you have access to the spray headers, start by noting the location of your nozzles so you can return them to the same position. To clean the nozzles, start by securing the reducer with a 5/8 wrench. Place the 1/2-inch wrench on the nozzle and turn to remove. Once completely threaded out of the reducer, use your tool to clean any debris by running it through the orifice. Reapply anti-seize to the nozzle threads, thread the nozzles back in and tighten them down. Once tightened and clocked back to the correct angle, you are finished. With power back on the machine, you are ready to run. We hope you found this video informative and appreciate you tuning in. Thank you.